today concept is first concept overriding. Today first concept overriding. What is overriding? If at all a function existing in parent class, if at all a function existing in parent class, then that function, if we write in child class, if we write in child class, then that concept is overriding. If at all a function existing in parent class, then that function, if we write in child class, then that concept is called overriding. That here two classes we are maintaining. If at all a function existing in parent class, then that function, if we write in child class, then that concept is called overriding. That parent class function should be there in child class. Simply we can say whatever we are writing in parent class function should be there in should maintain in child class. That is the concept. That parent class function should there in child class. In child class extra we can write the functions, but parent function should be there in child class. The parent class function should be there in child class. In child class we can write the extra functions also, but the parent function should be there in child class. So here we need to take two classes and we need to maintain the parent class functions in child class. How we can do, we will discuss now. Go to Eclipse, go to SRC, take the new class name is override. Only I'm taking one class. This is the parent class. This is the parent class. First I'm taking one class. That's why this is called parent class. Public void call. Public void call. I'm writing public void call. Madam Jessie, madam. Good morning, madam. Madam, are you hearing me, madam? Jessie, madam.
Hello?
Yeah, are you hearing me? Madam, are you hearing me?
Yeah, it's not probably because I can hear you, but it's not mobile's internet. That is like I'm using a mobile.
Yeah, no need to worry, madam. So if it is possible, attend the class. Otherwise, I can continue it any other time. No need to worry. Today you have office today?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem, madam. Okay, if it is possible, try to attend the class. Otherwise, leave it. Tomorrow our class timing 7 o'clock only. Okay, our class timing 7 o'clock only. Okay, madam.
Let me check. I'll just see if it's possible. You can continue. I'll see if I'm able to hear it.
If it is hearable, you can attend the class. Otherwise, we can leave it. Tomorrow we have class 7 o'clock only. Okay, attend the class. Try to attend the class. Okay. Are you getting my screen, ma? Madam, Jessie, madam, are you getting my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay, right. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
today concept is override. Override means if at all a function existing in parent class, then that function, if we write in child class, then that concept is called override. The whatever we are writing in that parent class function should be there in child class. That is the concept of override concept. So here I am taking one class, override, class name is override I am taking. No. So class name is we need to take different. So delete it. Right. I'm going to SRC, take the new class. Class name is model one class. And taking one class name is model 1. Only I'm taking class, click on finish. Here I'm writing functions, public void call, SYSO control space, model 1 call. Madam, go to mute, madam. I'm getting sounds from you, like fan sound, something sound. And I'm writing another function, public void reject, public void reject, SYSO control space, model 1 reject. And taking another function, public void message. I'm taking one parent class. I'm writing functions, call, reject, message. I'm taking one parent class, model 1 I'm taking. First I'm taking, that's why this is called parent class. Model 1 class name is model 1. I'm taking three functions, call function, reject function, message function. Okay, right, save it. And once again go to SRC, take the new class name is model 2. Click on finish. That model 1 class function should be there in model 2. That means that parent class function should be there in child class. So model 2 call, model 2 reject, model 2 message. So if you want extra, you can write it. If you want any extra functions, you can write it. Public void internet, WhatsApp, model 2 WhatsApp. Right. So model 1 is a parent class, model 2 is a child class. All the parent class function should be there in child class. So in model parent class we have call, reject and message. Model 2 we have call, reject and message. So this concept is called overriding. If at all, a function existing in parent class, then that function if we write in child class, then that concept is called overriding. Now I'm taking another new class, override. Override. Now keep the mark, publish static void menu, click on finish. Now we can call the functions from that particular parent class as well as child class. So if you want to call the functions from parent class, so class name model 1, reference name M1 equal to new model 1, M1 dot call we can get, M1 dot message we can get, M1 dot reject we can get, M1 dot only we can get only three functions. Why? Because there are only three functions in the parent class. Right. Next, I want to call the functions from model 2. Model 2 M2 equal to new model 2. M2 dot call, M2 dot message, M2 dot reject, M2 dot WhatsApp. We can get all the functions. This concept is called overriding. If at all a function existing in parent class, then that function if we write in child class, then that concept is called overriding. That parent class function should be there in child class. If you want extra functions also, you can write it. That is the concept, overriding concept. Next, connective concept. Next, connective concept, interface, interface, interface. What do you mean by interface? Interface is something, interface is something, next concept, interface concept. Interface is something, next concept, interface. Interface is something created between two somethings. Interface is something created between two somethings. For example, I'm taking two somethings. So in between I'm keeping something. So this is called interface. Interface is something created between two somethings. Interface is something created between two somethings. For example, interface example, I'm taking iPhone people. iPhone. iPhone. In each and every iPhone, we have number of options, like number of functions. Each and every iPhone having number of functions and options. So that iPhone people finally decided they want to maintain some common functions in each and every model. They want to maintain some common functions in each and every model. So that's the reason they are creating one interface. They are creating an interface. They want to maintain call function, reject function, message function. They want to maintain these three functions in each and every model. That is the reason they are creating one interface and they are keeping in interface. They want to maintain these three functions in each and every model. So if it is any iPhone, we have thousands of options and thousands of functions. So they want to maintain these three functions or options in each and every model. If it is old model or new model, any new model in the market, they want to maintain these three functions in each and every model. For example, so each and every iPhone having thousands of functions, but they want to maintain some functions in each and every model. That's the reason they are keeping an interface. If they want to introduce any model into market, first of all, they will install this interface. If they want any extra option or extra function, they can add. But they want to maintain these functions in each and every model. That's the reason they are keeping an interface. If at all any interface function is missing, automatically it will show error message. So whenever, okay, if it is any interface function is missing, automatically it will show error message. So each and every model having this interface functions or not, if it is three functions, manually we can check, okay, call function is there or reject function is there or message function is there or not. Manually we can check it. But if you have thousands of functions, that time very difficult to manage or remember. So that's the reason they are keeping an interface. So using this interface concept, each and every model, this interface functions having or not, within seconds we can find out. Within seconds we can find out. That is the concept, interface concept. So what is this concept? Interface is something created between two somethings. Okay, interface is something created between two somethings. Just like it is a connector, we are connecting the two people, just two people, two somethings we are connecting using this interface. So for example, interface, iPhone people, they want to maintain some features, we can say only features, some features in each and every model. That's the reason they are keeping common features in one interface. If they want to introduce any model into market, they want to maintain these features. So first of all, they will install this interface features. So after that, if they want any extra features, they can add it. But each and every model should contain these interface functions. So each and every model having or not, we can find out using this interface concept. Just once we can check it. So iPhone people, they are introducing this iPhone people, they are introducing. Hello, are you there? Anybody? Hello? Yeah, Ravi garu, are you there, sir? Ravi garu, hello, Ravi garu.